Hello guys, this is Chloe again. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to tie a tie with only one single loop. This single loop tie knot is very good for little boys who just can't stop moving like the ones we have here. So let's get started. So first thing is this narrow one. Kind of flip it and then bring it back where you can make an X. Make a loop on the front and bring it back again and insert it to the loop that you have on the back. Pull to tighten. So that's it guys, very quick and easy. Please don't forget to click and subscribe below to see more of my quick and easy tutorials. See you next time guys. Have a great day.